In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add breakpoints in Webflow. This is a crucial skill for ensuring your website looks great across all devices, whether it's a desktop computer or smartphone. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring we cover all the essential details to give you the confidence you need. First things first, let's log into your Webflow dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your projects. Click on the project that you want to work on. This will take you to the Webflow Designer, the primary workspace where all the magic happens. Now direct your attention to the top center of the Webflow Designer. Here you'll find the default breakpoints that Webflow provides. These include the desktop or base view, tablet, mobile landscape, and mobile portrait. These default options let you see how your site will look on different screen sizes and allow you to make necessary adjustments. To add custom breakpoints, hover your mouse over the Add Large Breakpoint option. This will reveal the ability to customize your breakpoints, allowing your design to adapt more specifically to various devices. The more tailored your breakpoints, the better user experience you can provide. Once you have your breakpoints set up, the next step is to customize styles for each breakpoint. You can select any breakpoint to start refining your design. Editing styles includes making changes to the font size, adjusting the layout, tweaking spacing elements, and more, specifically for the chosen screen size. One important thing to remember is that changes you make will cascade downwards. This means that styles applied to larger breakpoints will affect the smaller ones unless you specifically override these changes at a smaller breakpoint. This hierarchy is helpful, but be mindful of ensuring that each smaller view still looks as intended. Make use of the navigator panel on the left. This tool helps you manage the layout hierarchy, a critical component when dealing with complex designs. The navigator keeps track of all elements, ensuring you can move things around as needed without losing your place. On the right side of your screen, the Style panel serves as your go-to for making precise adjustments. Whether it's modifying the margins and padding, altering typography, setting display and flex properties, or adjusting element positioning, the Style panel offers everything you need. Finally, utilize the preview mode. This little play icon in the top left is pivotal. Clicking it allows you to preview how your site appears across different breakpoints. Take advantage of this to ensure that each device screen displays your content beautifully. And there you have it. You've now successfully learned how to add and manage breakpoints within Webflow. By following these steps, you're ensuring that your website is versatile and user-friendly across various devices. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.